This is about where we got a cutoff. We need to make it into, we need to use substitution. Okay, now I was explaining substitution. Substitute this into there, which makes that minus 5 to both sides. You get 15 equals to 5x. Divide by 5. 5x then equals to 3. To find y, you need to take this equation, the easier of the two. You 10x equals to y. X is 3. So 10 times 3, which is 30. That's what y is. So the graph is going to meet at 330. So when you graph it, you go 330 right there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 330. Even my 2's. So let's do, because it's 330, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was your quiz question, 9, 10, 30. This is going by 30. Can we do by 2's? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Okay? So you need 330. So where are they going to meet? Right here. Okay? And we can make a graph of that. On the y-intercept, we can choose 2 point. You can do this 2 ways. Make a little table of 0, cost, and income. Cost at 0, still going to cost you $15. Income, it gets you a 0. 10 times 0 is 0. Let's say, let's use 8. 8. Still too much, I think. 5. Yeah, 5 is good because it's over 3. 5, the cost of 5 is 5 times 5 is 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15 is 30, 40. So 5 and 40, that's the cost. Costs you $5, $40, but you make how much? 5 times 10 income. 5 times 10 is 50. So 0, 15 for the cost. And then 5 and 40. I like the other way better, using 10 and not, no, 5 and 40 is up here. So you connect them together, and that's your cost line. Your income starts at 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0 right here. And then you go 5, 40. 5, and you go up to 550. Whoa! Okay, 50 is about up here. Let's use the red one. 50 is up here. 550. So you draw that line. Make it as equal as possible. So 550 is somewhere all the way up there. Okay, and that's your income. All right, number 8. Number 8. Jose and Ming are selling fruits for the school fundraisers. Custom can buy small boxes of orange and large boxes of orange. Jose sold 3 small boxes of orange and 14 boxes of orange for a total of this much. Total of equal to, okay? Ming sold 11 small boxes of orange and 11 big large boxes of orange for a total of this much, equals to that much. Find the cost, so we're finding cost of each small box, so small box is of oranges, going to get X, and the large box is going to get Y of oranges. So X represents the cost, so here cost of each one small box of orange. Okay, and Y represents a large box cost, a large box of orange. Remind me to tell my kids to do all their assignments, homework. Okay. Okay, and then we use, okay, we know that small box of orange. So Jose sold 3 small box of oranges. Small box of orange is X. 14 large box of oranges, Y. And means plus. So 3X plus 14Y equal to a total of 203. Okay, means so 11 small box, 11X of oranges plus 11 large boxes of oranges. That's Y equals to 220. Okay, so which one? Wow, this is harder because none of them are the same. It's not an easy one. So I'm going to take this one because the least common denominator is 33. This one, I don't know what it is. Not offhand. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to multiply 3 times what makes 33. 3 times 11. Times all this by 11. 11 times what makes 33 times 3 makes 33. One of them has to be a negative. I'm going to make this one a negative. Okay. So let's change the top one. That's 33x plus 14 times 11. Okay, 14 times 11. Just to make sure. 130. 154. Not even close. 154y equals to 203 times 11. 203 times 11 gets you 2,233. Okay, and then you times this to 11, you get negative 33x. Times this to 11 also, you get negative 33y equals 220 times 11, 3. 220 times 3, negative 3, by the way, 660. I should know that. Negative 660. 0 there. Y, that's 1, 2, 1 equals, subtract that, 3, 7. Um, 6, 1, right? Let's add that. 3, 13 carry 1. Uh-oh. I did something wrong. Let's just use a calculator just to make sure. I don't want to mess this up for you. Okay. 2233 minus, because I didn't line it up. 1573 divide by 121. 13. Y equals to 13. Y represents what? The cost of a large box of orange, $13 for a large box of oranges. Okay, $13 is a large box of orange. See, how much is the cost of a small box? So let's use 3x plus 14y equals to 203. Doesn't matter which one. So y is 13. So times this by 13. 14 times 13. 182. 3x plus 182 equals 203 minus 182 minus 182. Okay. Should get a positive 21 equals 3x. Divide by 3. X is 7. 7, what does 7 mean? Okay. X equals 7. 7 is $7 for a box of small oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges, okay? Okay. School that Stefan goes to in selling tickets for choir performance. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior tickets and 7 child's ticket, typo, for a total of this much. The school took in $67, so equals 67 on the second day for selling 8 senior citizen ticket and plus 5 children ticket. Find the price. So we're looking at the price for the senior tickets and the price of the child's ticket. Okay, so X then and Y. X represents the price of a senior ticket. X is price of senior ticket. Y then is the price of okay. So you go back. Senior tickets, put X. 3X, senior tickets. 9 child is Y, 9Y. Okay, so 3X plus 9Y equals to 75. The school took in $67, so 67 equals 8X plus 5Y. Okay, you need to multiply. Okay, we'll make 24 here. 3 times what makes 24? 3 times 8 makes 24. Then I need to multiply this by negative 3. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Multiply it through all. And use elimination like this one. And same here, we did number 10 in class. But just in case you missed it, okay, the best thing to do is look at the question. Each van and each bus carry the same amount of students. How many students can a van carry? How many students can a bus carry? Okay, so X represents the van. X equals number of students. How many students? Because it says how many students. Number of students. Van carry. Okay, Y is number of students. The bus carry. Okay, so Haskell rented and filled 1 van and 1 bus, so plus 1 van, that's X, plus 6 buses, Y, right, Y for bus, with equals to that. So 1x plus 6y equals to 372. Ross rented to fill 4 vans, 4x, plus 12y equals to 780, plus y equals, annotate. Okay. I would multiply all of here by -2. Make this equal to 12. -12, I mean. So that gives you -2x minus 12y equals to negative times 2, 4, 14, carry 1, 7, right? You get 2x equals to, that's 0, 6, 3, 36, divide by 2. X then equals to 1, 8, 18. 18x is the van. Van can carry, the number of student can, the van can carry 18 students is what the van can carry. Okay, let's see the bus. Okay, that's one of our answers. We need to see what the bus. The 1x plus 6y equals to 372. So in place of x, we put 18 minus 18. 6y equals to divide by 6. $354 divided by 6, 59. Y equals to 59 students is what the bus can carry. Okay, and that gives you this answer. Okay. All right. Denise and Tanya work together to make 72 bead necklace. So they're working together, so this and must mean plus. To make a total of this many necklace to sell at the school fundraiser. Denise makes 2 necklaces per hour. So that's 2 times the number of hour. X represent Denise hour. Tanya, okay, write an equation that represents the number of hours. So here, write an equation that represents the number of hours that Denisha and Tanya makes after school fundraiser. Define your variable. X is Denisha, Y is Tanya. So Tanya makes 3 necklaces per hour, so we put Y for Tanya. So X represents, define the variable. X represents number hour for Denisha. Y represent Tanya's number hour for Tanya. Okay. So Denisha is 2 times X. Tanya is 3 times Y. So 2x plus 3y equals, they together are going to make 72 beads. Okay, that's the equation. Find the x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is 2x. X-intercept is 2x equals to 72. Y-intercept x equals to, let's see, 3, 6, 36. X represent hours of Denisha. So Denisha works 36 hours when the other person, X, is Denisha. Y is Tanya's hour. When Tanya works 0 hours. Okay, y-intercept divided by 3. 24 hours. Tanya works 24 hours when Denisha works 0 hours. Okay, X and Y intercept. This is 36, 0, and this is 0, 24. You can count by 2 for all of them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. And yeah, the same. 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 8, 40. Okay. So 36, 0 is right here. And the other one is 0, 24 is right there. And that's the graph. There you go. Okay. This is the same as the top one. I think I did this in class. So do this. And then we did this in class too. So exception of, we did these two and not these two. So I'll do these two really. Find the area of shaded region. Explain the process of finding the area of each shaded region. Okay, let's first find area of half a circle. By using pi r squared divided by 2. Okay? So pi r squared divided by 2. Radius, divide this by 2, you get 16. So with radius of 16. Inches. Okay? Okay, so this is 3.14 times 16 squared divided by 2. So if you have a calculator, do that. Get your answer. To get whatever your answer is. Next, find the area. Next, find the area of the rectangle. Length times width. Which is is 15. What's 15 times 32? Let's see. 15 times 30. 15 times 32. Oh no. 15 times 32. 480 inches squared. Next, last we add whatever this answer is to that answer to get such and such, okay? You don't need to do Pythagorean theorem because we know all the measurement. Like there's no measurement missing. Right, times width. That's 32 times 15, 480 inches squared. Get this answer, add them together, and that's your final answer. Okay. Explain the process. Find the area shaded region. First, find the area of the circle by doing pi r squared. Radius, we don't know, radius is missing, so we need to do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. That's what you all put here. Okay? And then you don't need to explain this, but you need to do the work. Diameter squared, c, this is diameter, so it's diameter squared, 4 plus 4. 8 equals to d squared, the square root of that, you should get 2 something. Okay, and then radius is half of that. I think it's 2.8. Radius then is 1.4. 3.14 times the squared. Divide that by 2, and you get your answer. Then you minus whatever your answer is. You minus the square. 2 times 2 is 4. Whatever this answer is, you minus the 4. And that's your total area shaded region. Explain it. I did it in class, gave you an example. Good luck on tomorrow's test. We did these two in class. That's spent enough time.